Bulgaria, Georgi Nikolov, Eric Nevzatov. Lane 4, Slovakia, Thomas Holka and Daniel Rybansky. Lane 5, USA, Sean Talbert and Cole Jones. Lane 6, Italy, Francesco Lanciotti and Giovanni Penato. Lane 7, Canada, Jan Godet and Alex Kenning. Lane 8, Cyprus with Stefan Kleanthus and Christos Christodoulou. Lane 9 for Tunisia with Ledin Maknin and Farouk Daly. Also for them to reach the 6th place is enough to gain the semi-final.
Yeah, top 6 go to the final and semi-final. Sorry, and the best, the third. They chose the third best 7 time. Anyway, to win the heat, it means to have less chance to arrive in the semi-final with the winner of the other race. So it's important to be in front if you can. It's not.
Yeah. And so it's Italy now leading, together with Slovakia and Canada, less than 1 second.
Yeah, good position now to win Italy easily. We'll see the time.
And we are on the finish tower with Lanciotti and Penato going to win this hit. And also
good time
Canada,
too, 1:31.
Slovakia, USA and Bulgaria.
They did the same time on the first hit. The winner, Lanciotti and Penato.
Yeah, same time for then
the first hit.
Czech Republic team in the first hit.
Other 2. And then we finish the plan. Last 2 hits of the morning program to qualify the boats for the semi-final and straight to the final for some race. A lot of crew in this event because it's K2 500 is in the Olympic plan, so everyone try to put their focus in this distance.
After these last 2 races, we will have earlier the final time also on the graphic.